Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the 2025 Ferrari 488, a stunning supercar packed with power, aerodynamics, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into its breathtaking design and performance. The front look is sharper and more aggressive, with sleek LED headlights, large air intakes, and an active aero system enhancing both style and speed. Every element is designed for maximum downforce and cooling. At the rear, the quad LED taillights, massive diffuser, and dual exhaust tips create a race-ready look. The active rear wing improves stability, making it a beast on both roads and tracks. Inside, the front seats feature premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, blending luxury with racing dynamics. The digital cockpit, flat-bottom steering wheel, and advanced infotainment ensure a high-tech driving experience. The all-exterior design is pure Ferrari DNA, with sculpted aerodynamics, deep side air intakes, and lightweight alloys for improved performance. New custom colors and carbon fiber options add a personal touch. Under the hood, the 3.9L twin-turbo V8 pushes 710 HP, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds with a top speed of over 210 miles per hour. Ferrari's side slip control and adaptive suspension make it precise and thrilling. The price starts at $300,000, with high-end customizations reaching $350,000 plus. A supercar built for those who demand both luxury and track-level performance. The 2025 Ferrari 488 is an absolute masterpiece of power and design. Let us know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more supercar content.